Okay guys, 3 minute session tayo. Back to basic. Saglit lang to. Let's go!
Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. This is Doc Vinci and the doctor is in. So for a 3 minute session, mag-debone tayo ng chicken thigh. Let's go! So I want to encourage you guys to try this one out. Not only that it's a good skill to master, but it will also help cut down the cost of chicken. And it's fun. Give it a try. So here's how to do it step by step. So first, you have to locate the bone. So kapain nyo lang. Then run the knife parallel to it. Then open it up and then you'll expose the bone. Now from the proximal part, from the neck of the femur, just free the meat by slicing off these tendons and these ligaments like so. Remember to slice upwards so as not to damage the chicken muscle that much, and to slice it away from you. Now, just scrape off all the meat from the thigh bone like so and cut it at the joint part. There you go. So the bones you can use for stock, for soup, and now you have this beautiful piece of thigh meat without the bone. Good luck!